at Asiatique Bangkok, which you can see behind me. I'm here to bid adieu to 2019 and welcome 2020. So let's join with me in this New Year's celebration. So let's go.
I don't wanna waste what's left.
Asiatic Riverfront is a large open-air mall in Bangkok, Thailand. It occupies the former docks of East Asiatic Company and faces the Chao River and Charoen Krung Road. To come to Asiatic, you can get down at Taksin metro station, and from there you can take a boat and come to this place, or you can come by road as well.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
As I walked inside, the place was beautifully decorated and it was lit up. The whole vibe of the place was very festive, with people from different nationalities were here, and the decorations were up to the mark with a lovely Christmas tree.
No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Lot of options to eat, right from small food stalls to big restaurants.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And designated areas for shopping, right from bags, clothes, shoes, accessories, souvenirs, etc.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
After roaming around, we were hungry and it was time to grab some dinner. Trying to figure out which restaurants to choose because there were a lot of options.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
So we have stopped for dinner because we were so hungry and there are a lot of options here. But after choosing looking at the many restaurants, we decided to stop at this Aloha place. So it has a lot of seafood options. So let us see.
Rays and on.
Here is our order. So we ordered fried rice with shrimp, which is also called khao phat kung, fried shrimp with cheese, and spaghetti chili with some clams in it. Ooh, everything looks delicious. Trying the fried shrimp with cheese. It was so delicious, crisp and cheesy. Spaghetti was flavorful and it was tasty too. And our last dish, fried rice with shrimp. I guess no one can go wrong with it. Very delicious.
Create a song.
Year's Countdown 2020. As we go inside further, there's a huge giant wheel here as well as merry-go-round for kids to play.
through the highways, and on we'll go.
We are entering the music festival, so let's all group and dance.
Horizon.
Now we are standing in the queue to take ticket for the giant wheel. So let's go up.
Now we are in the giant wheel and the view from top is so amazing. You can see almost whole of Bangkok.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on.
Countdown for 2020 has begun. And here are the fireworks. Happy New Year, guys!
Sawadee Pi Mai.
And on we'll go.
What an amazing celebrations and lovely night. I enjoyed myself a lot. I wish you guys a happy and a prosperous new year. If you liked my today's video, then please subscribe to my channel. Also like, share and comment and tell me what you guys did for your new year celebration. See you next time with more adventures. Bye.